Hi everyone, my name is Casey and I will be doing my lesson, a kindergarten lesson on Goldilocks and the Three Bears. This is the story. It's a very kindergarten version and it has a lot of pictures, which is really great. My learning objectives are that the students will use their prior information to reflect on the story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. And the students will be able to comprehend and recall key ideals from this story. The first thing that we will do is I'm going to show the students the visual, the cover of the story. And we are going to sit at the carpet and I will ask questions such as, has everyone ever read this story before? Or what do they see on the cover? So that way the students are going to be able to recall their prior knowledge if they read the story before or if they know about the animals, the bears that are in the story and such. And then I will introduce to the students a KWL chart. This is what they will be using to comprehend and recall their ideas and details from the story. Usually I will have this chart on a big piece of chart paper on the easel, but at home I don't have my easel, so this is what we will be using as they will be using as their independent work as well. So this is what I will be showing everyone, the KWL chart. First, we will do a KWL chart to introduce it on a basic topic like fruit. The students will be able to tell me what they know about fruit, and we could either draw visuals or we could write, like if they say apple, red, I could take whatever they want to do. They'll also come up and they will be able to volunteer and help write or draw in the what we know column. And then we will talk about what we want to learn about or what we want to know about fruit. It could be where they grow or whatever the students may say. That will be put in the what we know column. Then we will watch a short clip, a 1 minute and 30-second clip it is, on what the students can learn about fruit. And then after we watch the clip, the students will be able to tell me what they learned from the video, and therefore they completed the what they want to know, what I know, what we want to know, and what I learned in the story. Then we will do a picture walk of the Goldilocks and the Three Bears. So first we will do a picture walk on the front cover, and the students will be able to tell me what they see, how many bears they see, what they see on the cover. Then we will basically go through every page of the story, and the students will be able to tell me what they see. I will not be reading the words the first time around in the picture walk. The students will just be sharing and raising their hand and telling me what they see in the story. Then the students will complete what they know about the story. Everyone will get this piece of paper and they will get a pencil, and we'll be able to complete what we know already about Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Then we will share together what we know, and then the students independently will complete what they want to know about the story. And after everyone is completed, I give them a few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, to write down or draw pictures. They could draw visuals or write what they want to know about the story. Then everyone will put their pencils and papers down, and then I will read the class the story of the Three Bears. After the story of the Three Bears, to get the students a little more knowledge on the Three Bears, I also will play a short video clip of the story. It'll be about 2 minutes on exactly what I read, but so they could watch the video. And then we will complete what we learned. Everyone will complete the last column of what they learned. Then after the charts are completed, the students will take up with their partner, and they will be able to turn and talk with each other to share and explain with each other what they learned about the story and all the key details that they learned. Then I will collect the papers. This would be my assessment tool. I would collect everyone's papers, and then the students will be able to go into what I call centers. It's an extra activity with the lesson that explains the lesson even more, and the students will be able to understand more. So for example, here I play a little game with them where I have Papa Bear, which is the big bear, Mama Bear, the medium bear, and Baby Bear, the small bear. Also, the students, besides these three props, will also have um, the porridge bowls. They will have the beds, the chairs, all in laminated form, just like these. And there will be a chart that they would be able to play a game, and they'd be able to place in medium, small, and big. And that just keeps going on with the story about all the different key details that they learned. Also, I have a sensory bin that would have oats in it, like the porridge from the story, and the students would be able to continue practicing writing their name through the oats and see what words they could write, or they could write words from the story, their name, and so on. And there's all different there's letter games that I like to play with them throughout the whole lesson, which furthermore and helps them. And as they're doing these activities, the KWL chart and the centers, I will be walking around the classroom and assisting and helping the students with what they need to be helped with. And by the end of the lesson and the activities, they will be able to recall and comprehend details and key items from the story, and they'll be able to retell the story and also by using their prior knowledge. I hope everyone enjoyed my lesson. Thanks.